Hey people, it's the professor here. It feels like 113 out today, actual temperature 98 here in the Northeast. This damn ridiculous heat wave. I should be out working, but I'm not. I decided to hole up here in the office, try and get some work done. As you can see, I'm not getting a lot done. Want to talk to you today about the demise of the TV shop. The store that used to sell and repair televisions back until probably the 90s, I guess. I kind of lost track. That's how I got my start many years ago. I was a road service tech for a TV shop, a busy one, way back when. You know, it used to be your TVs had tubes inside, and then they went to tube power supplies with solid state boards for everything else, and then they went completely solid state. You could change circuit packs. Quasar was a brand, and their gimmick was works in a drawer. They had a drawer that slid out the side beside the picture tube, and you had your circuit packs in there instead of laying down on the bottom of the set on a chassis like the typical television. Then they went to the all-in-one boards where they wanted you to change major components or troubleshoot to the component level, which really made in-home TV repairs a thing of the past. And then eventually we ended up with what we've got today, the LCD and the LED sets, which are basically a throwaway unit because although you can get parts for them, not all of the time, but most of the time, but the expense of repairing the set outweighs the purchase of a new one, because you can basically buy a new flat screen for what it would cost you to fix your old one. So it's not really cost effective to dump a couple $100 into a TV that you can replace for a couple of $100. You know, back in the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, even the early 90s, the television business was lucrative. When the big box retailers started selling TVs, it cut back on the sales, but service was still big because none of the big guys had service technicians. So even though the TV shops hated to see somebody else selling TVs, it really wasn't a bad thing because they still got their service. And contrary to popular belief, I used to laugh. People always thought in the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s that there was large profit in a television, when that actually wasn't the case. You know, if you made $50 on a 17 or 19-inch portable, or $100 on a 25 or 27-inch floor model, you know, you'd really done something. The money was in repairs. But as these sets died off, people bought the new flats, the LED, the LCD, plasmas, what have you. It just kind of wiped the business out. So now, instead of walking into a TV shop, buying a TV, calling them, taking it back for repair, getting it fixed, you know, whatever, you go to Best Buy, Walmart, wherever else, and you buy your flat screen in a box, take it home, fire it up. When it dies, you curse it. You try and figure out how the hell to get rid of it because nobody will take it. and you go to Best Buy or Walmart and you buy another one. So, just another one of those things that has gone by the wayside.